Buona ducha, Luana, disfruta.
Hey guys, Timo the Hobo here. So I thought this time I show you where we parked. We are here. This is my friend's van and it is not the most beautiful place, but we have there and there two very good surf spots. You cannot see them with the bad weather now. Yeah, that's why we are staying here until we go to Fuerteventura. In this vlog I'm showing you my first hiking tour. It was on the island of La Gomera, kind of the hippie capital of Europe, and I really liked it. I'm very grateful for my friends I've met here on my first days in Gran Canaria that they invited me to this trip to La Gomera and La Palma. We arrived there in Santa Cruz de San Sebastián and went from there on to our Airbnb, which was paid and I got it confirmed. But when we arrived there, we had to find out that the Airbnb doesn't exist since 2 years. So yeah, that was in the beginning quite shitty, but the former owner we've met was quite nice. He gave us a bit water and he told us where we can stay. He showed us an abandoned house, which was not very welcoming. So we just stayed a little bit further away from that house, outside, and slept there. Through all our stay in La Gomera, we just kept sleeping outside, and in the end we were super happy about it because it was so nice sleeping outside under the stars in front of the ocean, and we found some amazing sleeping place. Especially one sleeping place, it was like a private beach. It was really nice. The way down there is a little bit tricky though. And unfortunately the high tide comes so high that there was no more beach and we had to sleep at the rocks. But it was okay and it was totally worth it. Hiking in La Gomera is super nice. There is a coastal way all around the island, which we did parts of, and it's super beautiful. We used a hiking app, Komoot. It's a very nice hiking app. Only once it didn't show us a very good way. It led us into a tunnel, and this tunnel, after like 100 meters, it just started coming water and we couldn't see anything. It was like totally dark, and after 100 meters more the water was deeper, and at one point we were just knee deep in mud and water and it got like very tight. But yeah, at least we got out. I think it's now time to start the video. Yeah, this hiking tour showed me how much I like hiking, and that's why I also kept doing it. First, in the next video you will see our tour over La Palma, which is my favorite place in the world. So don't forget to tune in next week. Until then, bye guys. Whee!